Hi business leaders and accountants. Don't you see the pain points of manual invoices processing in your enterprise? Let's see how Virtual Assistant RPA by akaBot can help. Big workload, repetitive process, high error rate are key pain points for accountants when processing the e-invoice. To issue an e-invoice for the buyer, the seller's accountant needs 5 minutes. To read and validate an e-invoice, the buyer's accountant needs 3 minutes, but the whole process can be automated to reduce more than 50% of processing time with akaBot, the virtual assistant powered by RPA technology. Let's see how akaBot works to issue the e-invoice. Firstly, the seller's accountant receives a traditional invoice, which needs to be converted into e-invoice. Virtual Bot starts to read the email and download the invoice. The traditional invoice is automatically imported to akaBot Vision to extract data fields. Then Virtual Bot automatically logs in the e-invoice issue system. Inputs data. Then waits for e-invoice to be issued. Finally, the e-invoice is automatically sent to the buyer by email. This is the e-invoice issued and sent by seller. Virtual Bot logs in UBot system and uploads the e-invoice. Then processes to identify the invoice details. Each data fields are verified on the General Tax Department system. UBot invoice even screenshots the results as evidence. After all, the result data is exported in an Excel file for later usage. akaBot has to save big. 50% processing time saved, 0.01% human error rate, lower turnover rate and optimized resources allocation for more valuable tasks. With akaBot, everyone can automate.